Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace your lights on your F-150 with these Auxito LED lights. Now if you're not too sure which light bulbs to buy, you might recall my video that I uploaded on how to find the right light bulb which is printed on your lens. So this truck takes H13s, which H13 is equivalent to a 9008, which is exactly what was ordered and in this box. Or you can visit their website and just punch in your year, make, and model. Now, Auxito is a leading LED light brand, which focuses on safety and driver experience. Now, in short, these products are high brightness, low energy consumption, and have a long lifespan, which is why I already have it on my daughter's Toyota RAV4. Now, I can't wait to put them on my F-150. Now, because I've already used this product before, I already know it's top-notch quality, it has great pricing, and a fantastic warranty. These also emit a perfect light pattern, which I will show you later on, but it's a perfect beam of light, has no dark spots, and it doesn't blind oncoming traffic. Now, the packaging is very simple, which is what I prefer. It just comes with an easy-to-read user manual. And then your plug and play, easy to install LED lights, which you'll be able to install them within minutes and without any modifications. Now this particular body material type is referred to as aviation aluminum. And the working lifetime of these LED lights is rated at 30,000 hours. Now that we've unboxed the LED lights, let me show you how easy it is to complete this install. For you F-150 owners, you're going to need two simple tools. A small Phillips head screwdriver for a plastic screw located at the top of the lighting mounting bracket, and a 10mm socket for 3 bolts. One located at the top, and 2 buried into the side. First, remove the plastic screw, but don't push down too hard on it or else it won't come out. With the plastic screw removed, this rubber shield easily bends backwards, which reveals the additional 2 bolts that need to be removed. Now remove the upper 10mm bolt that holds onto the lighting bracket. Followed by the 2 on the side of the light bracket that are just under the rubber shield. Pull the tab located by the upper bolt and you'll notice how the lens releases ever so slightly. Now comes the tricky part. On the left hand side of the lens there's a metal tab that's holding the light into the frame. So you'll have to wiggle it and pull it out as straight as possible. Just take your time. This might take a minute or two. And here's a closer look at those 2 metal clips that you have to contend with. And this is why you have to pull the lens out as straight as possible, because you don't want those metal clips to break in the framework. Now with the lens fully removed, you've got access to all 3 light bulbs, which makes it incredibly easy. Here's my daytime running light or my signal, my main light, and my side marker is on the far side of the headlight lens. To remove your headlight bulb, you just want to turn that housing counterclockwise ever so slightly and you'll feel it let go, and then just pull the light bulb straight out. To release the light bulb, Just depress the tab on the top of the connector and wiggle it ever so slightly, but primarily pull it straight off. Now, as I said before, your new Auxito LED light bulbs are plug and play. The three prongs inside the light bulb just have to line up with the three prongs in the connector. Now, there's two ways to make sure that it's plugged in correctly. There is a thick and thin side, so you just have to line those up. In addition, the tab that you depressed earlier can only go on the light bulb one way, so just slide it on and make sure that the light bulb is in there snugly. Now you can slide the new LED light bulb into the housing. Now just be aware that there are three tabs that you have to line up before you can lock the light bulb into place. With a clockwise quarter turn, you should feel it lock in. Now for a quick reassembly. Line up the metal tabs and just slide the headlight lens into place. Insert the two side bolts. Put the rubber shield back into place. Refasten the upper bolt. And lastly, the little plastic screw. Here's what the Auxito LED headlights look like during the daytime. They are super bright and look absolutely fantastic. Now I can't wait for tonight's drive. Here's a bit of a side comparison with what my old headlights look like compared to the new Auxito LED bulbs. And of course, here's what they look like on the road. Just super bright, clarity is awesome, and I can see anything and everything. There you have it, an easy plug-and-play system by Auxito to brighten your drive. So make sure to help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on Your Home Garage.